What's up, everybody? We are out here at the C10 at 10 o'clock at night. Why don't you tell everybody what we got?
Well, why don't I just show them?
LEDs! What? Boots, 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 boots. Yeah, they're gonna go in our sexy footwells there. Look at that. That beauty right there. I'm gonna get on the other side. Something's missing here. It's locked. I don't know why this thing's locked anyway. Like, what are they gonna do? Steal it? Break in and steal your radio?
What radio? I don't have one.
Did you put this here?
What?
This flag?
No.
It was stuck in the radiator. Some jokester decided to leave a natural gas company's flag in our radiator.
Looks like we gotta do some wiring.
Positive to the lights and a negative switch ground. It'll take us 20 minutes.
Oh, it's only that much?
They're bright, then who cares?
And then we'll have this guy here change the lights next to the gas tank switch. Love that, dual tanks.
Yeah, this will be easy. No drilling required. Where's that silver cylinder thing down there?
This guy? This?
Yeah.
High beams.
Oh my god.
Dude, I know.
It's that old.
Yeah. It's a 75. What did you expect? We can use that for something.
Wire a train horn and use that as the button. So you just be like, bzz, bzz. Cigarette lighter.
Well, looks like we're going with the cigarette lighter route. For now, anyway.
That disconnected. Oh, it just plugs into that?
Yeah, on-off button there.
Ah, that's stupid. The best time to do it is at night, because then if you get it on during the day and then you turn it on, you're like, oh wow, I can't see. Plier throw cable.
We'll just bend a piece of metal on it.
I'm sitting on the floor pan, the very sketchy floor pan.
Should I just put it like down here?
I don't know. I mean, that's gonna be covered when we get like carpeting and whatnot.
True. Don't we have to like clean the area or something?
Nah, that is 3M tape, my dude.
Oh, dude, no, it's got like extensions, so you can add more.
Oh, all right.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I'll stick you.
And then we'll tuck that up there. What do you think there?
Perfect. The battery's probably so dead by now. Good thing I got a battery charger. No, positive first. If anything's shorted out, I want it to spark on your side.
Dick. I hate doing shit like this.
Yay! It's a job well done.
I guess we're not getting any power.
This might only get power with the ignition on. Oh, that fell in the rust hole. Oh, good. Right. Oh, no, come on. Ow. Ah, hold on. Yay!
Nope.
Oh,
What?
there's no wiring.
Oh.
It's not even connected to anything.
Pull back.
Well, something's not right.
Nothing. No power.
Oh.
What?
All the power for the vehicle is connected to the starter because it just has one big cable that goes down to the starter, and it uses that as the junction. One of these wires is the ignition power. It might be this one. Should I go for it?
Go right ahead.
All right. It's sparking a little bit. There it goes. So low beams work, high beams don't. One high beam does.
I love that. The foot high beam.
Should we just cut off this connector real quick and run it through the firewall and hit the battery on it?
You have an eyelid big enough for that?
I might. No, I actually used my last one the other day. We could take this blue thing, this fork thing, and we could just shove it underneath the nut and bolt on the battery.
Too small?
No, I mean under there, under the nut.
Oh, under it?
Yeah. It's 50 degrees out, and it feels like it's 30 degrees out.
Yeah. At least no one stole anything so far.
What is there to steal?
This battery.
That is $20. Okay, that's battery.
Cost me a good bit of change. Here it is. Let's start them off on that. Let's see how far we make it.
Yeah, this thing's bright.
Oh yeah. Well, that's 1,000 lumens. We might just go under the dash and hook it up somewhere there.
We could just run back to my house and get the wire in.
And then run the wiring into here to a power source.
Let's see if there's anything under here. I don't know about that. I say we just run back, get some wire from my house, and run it to the battery.
Okay.
Alright, I'm back, guys. I got my box of wire here.
So I can feed it. There we go.
You're just hiding it in the panel there.
Mm-hmm. Hopefully I don't damage this.
It doesn't feel very tight though. Like, whatever. It's $25. What do you expect?
That opens nice. These are all nice, and then I'll just tuck them up in there.
Shut up. There, you better? Happy?
I wonder if any of these are power wire.
That looks like that's like the radio or something, isn't it?
It's a radio. What the radio was.
I don't know.
Look how many fucking crimps he made into it.
The more the merrier. So which one's ground on that?
That's what we're gonna find out.
Would obviously be the solid black one.
You never know. It's Walmart.
Those headlights are looking kind of dim up there.
And I'm guessing the black wire is ground.
Usually. But that can just go to any bare metal part.
Well, we don't really have good bare metal in here.
You talking about?
So, I mean, I don't plan on really getting a radio anytime soon. I'll keep the connector.
It's got the V8 soundtrack.
Yeah. Put it like right there. Or, let's see if this works first. Come on. Ah! Dumb cunt. Shine a fucking light over here. I'm trying to fucking concentrate, you asshole.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's touching.
Oh, shit's fucked, mate. I guess that's not a power wire.
Yeah, guess not.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Turn the ignition on.
Nothing?
No.
Damn it. Just need a better power wire, unless I'm doing it backwards.
Unless that's not even a power.
Maybe. Could be.
This is how you like fry your whole wiring in your whole vehicle.
Okay, yeah, that's not a power.
Just run it through the firewall.
Okay.
I ran back to the house for all this wire for a reason. Don't make it
Well,
happen.
then let's start from there and work it in. That'll work for now. And then we'll make a ground wire. Well, the power to the battery is not hooked up yet.
It is.
No, it's not.
The lights are on.
Oh! Dumbass!
That battery power.
Oi, mate, you a moron. Good enough? They worked?
No.
So, we couldn't get the wiring down for right now, so we hooked up the batteries that we got from the box just to see if they work, and they work, and they look badass.
Yeet.
That one. Because you gotta always break the plastic whenever you crimp.
We got it.
Takes a second, but it works. Now we just gotta hide the wires.
No, I think it's supposed to be like that.
Maybe, but I like it. Oh, I have it on.
You have it on the shim.
There we go.
Oh yeah, how's that feel?
great since the throttle cable's not hooked up out there. I got a full tank of gas though.
Oh, sick. Let's go for a ride.
All right, start her up. You gotta warm up your LEDs.
Goodbye.